A developing story now on CBS 2 News at 6. A gambling trip ends in tragedy in Palm Springs. As many as 13 people are killed as a tour bus slams into the back of a big rig. Good evening. I'm Peter Downs.
And I'm Elsa Ramon. Investigators are trying to figure out how and why a tour bus plowed right into a big rig in Palm Springs.
The bus was returning from a casino in Thermal, California when it crashed into the freight truck in the westbound lane of I-10. The bus driver was among those killed. We have live team coverage. CBS 2's Greg Mills is live in Palm Springs with a look at the investigation. Greg?
And Peter, a number of agencies are investigating, and tomorrow morning 11 investigators from the NTSB will arrive here too and join in that investigation. Now, the accident happened right here along the westbound 10 freeway. It shut down this portion, about a 2-mile portion of the westbound 10 lanes from 5:15 this morning until about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Look at this. This bus heading back to Los Angeles from a casino in the Salton Sea hit this truck so hard the front of the bus was embedded about 15 feet into this trailer.
The majority of the people who were killed were in the front section of the bus.
He's a 35-year veteran of CHP and says he's never seen anything this bad.
So it's tough. It's tough for all of us. And you never get used to this kind of thing.
The bus driver was one of the 13 killed. The driver of the semi-truck survived.
I can tell you what he said was he felt a thump in the back, but that's all he really knew. He didn't know what specifically happened.
Based on his experience, he said one of 4 things most likely were the cause of the bus slamming into the back of this big rig. The bus driver was possibly inattentive, or fell asleep, or suffered a medical emergency, or it's the result of a mechanical issue. But CHP said the bus has passed mechanical inspections the last 3 years, the most recent a few months ago. The bus is owned by USA Holiday of Los Angeles, and based on what CHP indicates, the bus driver didn't hit the brakes before hitting the truck.
There didn't appear to be braking skid marks from the bus.
Surviving passengers told investigators everyone was asleep on the bus when the accident happened. Concerned families have been calling CHP all day about relatives who didn't return home. Problem is, CHP says, some people on the bus didn't have valid IDs. The westbound lanes were shut down for about 10 hours after this crash. First, the freeway served as an emergency medical center as paramedics tried to save lives and get the injured on their way to 3 area hospitals. Investigators hope this bus has a black box similar to one you find in airplanes, which helps in the investigation, but CHP says this bus was made in 1996. They think it might be too old to feature a black box. Elsa, Peter, back to you.
All right, Greg.